Okay, now I'll show you how to install QGIS. First, you needed to know what kind of window version you are running on your desktop. To find out, just type system in the search box in here, system, and then just click the system information. If you look at this window, there is a lot of information available. And so in my case, my machine is running 64-bit Windows OS. Of course, my window is running Windows 10 education version. So look at this system type. Mine is running 64-bit OS. Okay. Once you figure this out, and just open your favorite web browser and punch in the QGIS download, and go to the website. There are several options available in here, right? So for our class, we're gonna download this one, QGIS in OS Geo 4W. So again, my machine running 64-bit. Let me click this one and download it. So now it's download complete. Let me open the download folder and double click. And yes. And when you see this window, why don't you click just the advanced install, okay, advanced install, and click next, and you can download this QGIS from internet directly. Yes, just select the install from internet and click next, and you can just take a default folder, or if you wanna set up your own folder, you can just navigate the folder you want. But if not, just take default folder will be fine. Which means this is the installation folder, okay? And then click next, and click next again, just default, and I just select the direct connection, right? And next. In here, again, you can just simply take a default value at this stage and click the next. And here, so we need to install QGIS. Just click this desktop option. If you scroll down, here is the QGIS automatically selected here, right? And go to next, and your QGIS is being installed. Once you install is complete, just click the finish and type in your search box QGIS, and you see this app, right? Just click this one, and you can see QGIS is installed on your machine. So once your installation is complete, you should see this graphical user interface, and now you are ready to go. Okay, thanks.